I wanted to make my own candle and repurpose an old Starbucks bottle. I used some old emergency candles, a mason jar, brown crayons, cinnamon scented oil, a pot, craft sticks, tape, and glue to make my own Starbucks candle. Start by gluing the wick to the bottom of the jar. Secure the top between two craft sticks using tape to keep it in place. I broke up my candle and crayons and placed them in the mason jar. I filled the pot with water and then brought it to a boil. Leave the jar in the pot until the wax is melted. Add the scent right before you want to pour your wax into the glass jar. Once your wax is melted, use a hot pad to remove your jar from the pot. Carefully pour your wax into the jar. I found that the shorter bottle I had worked better, so I transferred the wax to another jar. Ensure that your wick is still centered after you pour and adjust if needed. Let your candle cool and clip the end of the wick. Display in your home or give as a special gift. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.